Alrighty, what is up everybody? In this video we are looking at Nucypher, right? Is this bleed done happening? If you bought at the top, man, you want to know what the heck is going on, right? So the first thing I want to say is if we look at what's happening right now, and I don't mention this unless I actually see something, is we have this nice bullish divergence happening between the Wilder's index and the price action. You see that little up action happening right there? You see that little down action happening right there? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. That is your bullish divergence. So this is saying, or calling rather, for an upswing. Now, not to mention we also have our stochastic RSI down here in the bottom of the playing field, which means we have room to move up. So that right there, my friends, I would consider a confluence of indicators. I would say at least we are going to see a little bit of a pump up right here. Now, I am not a financial advisor. Never ever base your trades based on some random idiot on YouTube, and that's what you should be considering me as. I mean, unless you're in our Discord community, link down below, and you've done some of these trading challenges with us, I am completely random to you, and that's okay. You can hit the subscribe button. We can get a little bit more friendly, and we can start trading together. But as of right now, I am one of those people you should not just randomly invest with. So I'm going to look at this chart, tell you what we see from a non-emotional, completely technical standpoint. We're going to see if we can make something happen. So confluence of indicators, that is a serious buy signal for me. We are on the 4-hour time frame, which means each one of these candlesticks represents 4 hours of price action. 4 hours of the bulls pushing it up, 4 hours of the bears trying to drag them down. And there's what you have with the price action. We do see our MACD, our MACD. Now, I don't use the standard. I use an 821 for my EMA. And we do see this starting to dip under. But if we look at the 1 hour, and I haven't looked at this prior, we can see that this may be changing. We've been riding low. We've been riding low. And we can see, right, that's an even more defined downward, downward, downward as we're rising on the price action. So we are in a low field potential to pop. We have our MACD looking like it wants to turn around. We have no divergence saying that this is going to swing bearish, and we seem to be trying to find support right around this 200-day moving average. So is right now a good time to buy? Well, I would say yes. Again, never listen to somebody on the internet. You will lose money. However, technically, it does look like a good setup. Now let's go ahead and do this here. Let's take this Fibonacci retracement and see if potentially this 0.48 or one of these bottoms, let's see if we actually find a retracement. So we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement. If you've never used it, you want to find the beginning of an impulse. So this big impulse up really started about here, and then you want to go to the top of that impulse, which you can see ended right about yeah. That's where that impulse ended. And if we come down, you can see we do find a little line of retracement right here at 5.6, but nothing right here. So it looks like we have come to this line, 61% retracement. I'm going to pop a line right there, and then I can remove this Fibonacci, and this is going to be my support. So you can see right here, okay, we have seriously good support. And if you remember, when we took our fib retracement from here, okay, we found yet another support right here. So this is a major buy signal for me. So right now, I am rating Nucypher a buy. Now, where's my target for this next move up? Well, you can see previously we had a target up here at 118. Okay, now I'm going to leave that there, as I still believe that we can hit that, but I like to look at a bit of a shorter term game, as I know all you people out there are very, very impatient to get those tendies, right? So for this move, I'm going to be looking for a move up to 87 cents, and I think that is conservative. I think that is a good, for one, it's a good gain, 57 to 87, right? That is a very, very good gain. What is that percentage-wise? 58 to 86. Right, it's right around a 50% gain, so that is a massive gain, massive bang for your buck. Indicators look good. This could dump, however, if it does, my stop loss is going to be right below this 4.9. So we're going to call it right below this support. We're going to use this support right over here, right, because we don't want to get stopped out right here, Because if we get stopped out right here, that could just be another line of support that we already know is there. So if we go below that, we'll go all the way down to 0.45. I'm going to be stopped out. A little bit more risk here, right? A little bit more risk as we have about 20%, about 20% on the line. Granted, if we get down to this 4.9, market conditions look terrible. I'm going to get out at the 4.9, but with the way it looks right now, it looks like a much safer bet than that. It looks like we have a good solid support holding us up. We actually have that really nice, and as you can see, this green candle starting to print right as I'm talking. We have this really nice bullish divergence. So green light for Nucypher. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as we will keep you guys updated as it updates. We'll keep you guys going. 2 links down below. One link is going to be a tutorial on how to set up this trading view for free so you can practice your charting and technical skills on a live environment for free, right? Extremely important if you're really wanting to learn how to day or swing trade. Second link is going to be to our ever-growing and amazing Discord community. Shout out to Third Eye Nation. That guy is a boss running Discord. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much, guys.